Meanings of national anthem. Jan means people. Gan means group. Man means mind. Adhinayak means leader. Jaya He means victory. Bharat means India. Bhagya means destiny. Vidhata means disposer. Punjab means Punjab. Sindhu means Indus. Gujarat means Gujarat. Maratha means Maharashtra. Dravid means South. Utkal means Orissa. Bang means Bengal. Vindhya means Vindhyas. Himachal means Himalaya. Yamuna means Yamuna. Ganga means Ganges. Uchal means moving. Jaladi means ocean. Tarang means waves. Tava means your. Subha means auspicious. Name means name. Jage means awaken. Tava means your. Subha means auspicious. Ashish means blessing. Mage means ask. Gahe means sing. Tava means your. Jaya means victory. Gatha means song. Jan means people. Gan means group. Mangal means fortune. Dayak means giver. Jayahi means victory. B. Bharat means India. Bhagya means destiny. Vidhata means dispenser. Jayahi means victory. And Jayahi means victory. So, this is the meaning of national anthem.